Hope you're doing good. Micah back with another video. Back here to talk about this July update that landed on the Galaxy S25 device. It includes all three models of the Galaxy S25 and probably the Fold 6, Flip 6, and now with the Fold 7 Flip 7 about to be out on in the masses, it's probably going to be there shortly as well. And then proceeding after that will be the older devices like the S24 series, S23, S22, the mid-range devices such as the A55, A54, A53, so on and so forth. Those devices will be seeing the July update. And what I also wanted to take note of was the Google Play System update that also launched alongside the Galaxy S25 devices this month in the month of July, which is kind of a first because usually we're a month behind. This is one of the first times I've really seen the Google Play System update coincide with the July security update or the same month update for Galaxy devices. Now, what's special about the Google Play System update? Well, it's around 85 megabytes in size, or at least it was for my device since this was fresh out of the box. And the last Google Play System update that was on here was February. So what was included in the July Google Play System update was Android Auto authentication, easier access, or in other words, Android Auto is a bit smoother and more easier to use to re-authenticate the user and the login process. Or in other words, if you're using the device with Android Auto, you're going to notice an improvement. And that is something I did with my, well, funny enough, yeah, with the S25. And tell you the truth, I don't even know if I got the Google Play System update yet on my A53, but my A53's Android Auto actually was working very, very well the last 2 days. So if it had received it, it did. If it didn't, that was just a placebo effect, or maybe it was still updated in the background. But I know Android Auto did see some enhancements with the Google Play System update. Google Wallet was also updated. Look at just freaking out over here. The Google Wallet app was also updated, addressing several bugs needed to improve the use of Google Wallet. The Google Play Store, users can find developer videos and preview gallery on the details page of some apps now. I think that's something that they pretty much are bringing back because I feel like that was, or I think rather, that was always part of the Google Play System. Let's see, what does it say? Yeah, that's fine. That's not a problem. Whenever I thought you already could do that back in the past, and I guess maybe it's a feature that they're bringing back. But yeah, being able to preview uh, videos and developer information and information from the developer, you have that access there as well. And then the Android system web preview or web view and adaptive connected services was also updated, so that improved the use there behind the scenes. And then Google Play Services was also updated to enhance and improve the support and the design of the Family Link app. So it's good to see that there as well for the Google Play Services. And that pretty much is what is all entailed in the July Google Play System update. Now, if we actually want to check the update for July in terms of security for the Galaxy devices, if you're coming here to software update, you'll see if you hit on last update. If you haven't already updated, you're going to have to check for the update. It's pretty much just security. The device is protected with improved security, and then of course you're not going to be able to downgrade. Now, I think for the Galaxy S25, since this was like, well, no, it wasn't one of the first updates out of the box because this device came out way back in like February, March. The device still came in at half a gig, so 585 megabytes. So it still was sizey, but definitely most likely there was quite a few patches that needed to be done behind the scenes for our security. And then if we go to their actual page, it actually shows you when this was released, which was the 21st of July. So for me, I got it around the 25th since that's when my device landed in my pocket. And then these changes may vary depending on the model, current country network, operator, customer environment. So keep that in mind as well, that there might be some tweaks there for your given device. But if you actually want to go check the updates for model, all you have to do is go into About Phone. You come in here to Software Information. You scroll all the way down to Android Security Patch Level. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to Android Bulletin. And then once you go in here, you're going to click on Read. And then once you click on Read, it's going to ask you basically what device you're using in order for you to find the proper updates since we're on Samsung. We're going to click Samsung. Once it clicks on Samsung or open Samsung, it's going to bring you to the most recent one, which is July. You can exit out of that. And then here, it basically describes, you got, oh, well, these are acknowledgements, I guess. But if you want to look in here, you can almost count them up. We have one critical. We have a ton of highs. I'm not even going to try to count them. I probably would argue 15-ish are high alone with the critical, no moderate. And then already included in the previous update was this one here, not applicable to Samsung devices, is this one. Now keep in mind, CVEs are from Google themselves. So these are updates that Google had combined with this security update, including a high update right there. And then if we scroll down a little bit further, you're going to notice Samsung's specific security patch updates here. And we see there's at least one right here, which looks like they kind of pertain to the Google ones. And it looks like it has something to do with the Knox Vault. We know Knox Security is Samsung's kind of big push with their security is Knox. So you got one, you have two right there. I don't know why there we go, two, yeah, 3, 4, 5, and that one looked like it had something to do with the tablet. 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 Samsung specific security patches when it comes to the patch for this month. If you want to read some of them, insecure storage of sensitive information in emergency SOS, improper access control in the audio service, the wrong James, improper access control again in audio service, improper privilege management in Bluetooth. Let's see, improper authorization and accessing saved Wi-Fi password for Galaxy tablets, improper access control in Samsung account for Galaxy Watch, incorrect default permission and framework for Galaxy Watch, improper verification of intent by broadcast receiver in system UI for Galaxy Watch, and then out of bounds right in Knox Vault Trustlet. So definitely a lot going on with the Galaxy Watch in particular. I don't know if this is Galaxy Watch 8 specific, considering that's a brand new watch that just came out for Samsung. So they're, fixing some errors for the launch of that watch. But again, we don't 100% know just because it says Galaxy Watch only, so it could pertain to all Galaxy Watches. But we did definitely read about 3 or 4 specific patches for the Galaxy Watch, one for the Galaxy tablet, 1 or 2 for Knox security, and then a few other things for like Bluetooth and audio. So it's good to see that Samsung really does pay close attention to their devices, what needs to be fixed. And that's where our videos come in handy too sometimes, because we on this channel have exposed a few issues or a few bugs that Samsung ended up actually fixing later on, like within the next month or so. So it's good to be part of the troubleshooting process from time to time. Let me know down in the comment section below, have you guys updated to the July security patch for your device yet? And what Samsung device are you rocking, if you're rocking a Samsung device at all? What's in your pocket right now? What's in your hand? What are you watching on? The comment section is open for discussion. But again, as always, you guys haven't already, make sure to like the like button, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell, so all free. That way you notice my videos. So you and I can sit back, check, see who's cracking. And don't forget to hit that super things button down about a like and dislike button, Cash App, PayPal, and check the channel out for all the videos available to you. That's where to keep tech fresh and alive on this channel. It's your man Micah signing out. And until the next video, wait for it.